In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Metatrader 5. Let's start with an important clarification so everything makes sense. You don't withdraw money directly from Metatrader 5 itself. MT5 is a trading platform that displays your accounts, orders, and charts, but your actual funds are held with your broker. That means all deposits and withdrawals are managed on your broker's website or app, not inside MT5. Think of MT5 as the cockpit and your broker as the bank behind it. With that in mind, open your browser and go to your broker's official website. Make sure you're on the real domain, not an ad or a lookalike page. A quick way to stay safe is to use a bookmarked link you know is correct and look for a secure connection in the address bar. If you prefer using a phone, you can do this through the broker's official mobile app as well. The steps are similar, just laid out for a smaller screen. Next, log into your broker account. This is your secure client area, sometimes called the personal area, member area, or dashboard. Use your usual login details, and if your broker offers it, enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Once you're in, confirm that the correct trading account is selected, especially if you have multiple accounts or both demo and live profiles. If your account verification is pending, complete any identity checks first, because brokers typically can't process withdrawals until they've verified your profile. Also, ensure you have sufficient free margin if you maintain open positions. Withdrawing funds reduces your available margin, which can affect your trades. For this walkthrough, I'll use XM as an example. Your screen may look slightly different with another broker, but the flow is the same. On XM's site, look toward the top right area of the client dashboard for a section labeled Wallet. If you don't see Wallet immediately, it may be presented as Funds, Finance, Account, or Cashier. The wording varies by broker, but it's the place where you manage deposits, withdrawals, and internal transfers. Go ahead and click Wallet. This area typically shows your balances, recent transactions, and sometimes separates your wallet from your individual trading accounts. Some brokers let you move money between a central wallet and specific MT5 accounts, while others hold balances directly inside each trading account. Take a moment to confirm which account you're about to withdraw from and check the currency to avoid unnecessary conversion fees. If you plan to move money between accounts instead of withdrawing to your bank, look for internal transfer options here. Now click Withdraw. This opens the withdrawal methods your broker supports. You'll often see options like bank transfer, card withdrawal, and sometimes e-wallets. Many brokers apply a same method rule, meaning you need to withdraw back to the method you used to deposit, at least up to the amount you funded with that method, to comply with anti-fraud rules. Review processing times and any fees shown on the screen. Bank wires can take several business days, while card refunds and e-wallets may be faster. Enter the withdrawal amount carefully, double-check destination details, and confirm the request. If you're asked for a one-time code or email confirmation, complete that step to authorize the transaction securely. After you submit, you should see a confirmation message or ticket number. You can usually track the status in your transaction history within the wallet or funds area. Brokers will often email you updates as the request moves from pending to processed. Keep in mind that weekends and public holidays can delay bank processing, and first-time withdrawals may require an extra verification check. If anything looks off, contact your broker's support through the official help center or chat from within your logged-in area. To recap, you don't withdraw from MT5 directly. You use your browser to access your broker's client area, log in, open the wallet, and then choose Withdraw. From there, select your method, confirm details, and monitor the status. As best practices, always safeguard your login, use two-factor authentication, verify the site you're using, and save your withdrawal confirmations for your records. That's the cleanest way to move your trading profits from your MT5 broker account to your personal account with confidence.